Humans believe in many superstitions, such as knocking on wood, the idea that black cats are bad luck, and crossing your fingers is good luck. Even though knocking on wood does not logically prevent something bad from happening, just as other superstitions do not have logical validity, many people believe in such notions anyways. Given the advanced cognition that humans possess, the persistence of superstitions in human ideology is an interesting topic to investigate. What exactly causes superstitions to develop in the first place, and how does the existence of superstitions affect human behavior? Interestingly, animals also exhibit superstitious behavior. Observing animal behavior and discovering how superstitions develop in animals can help reveal the origin of superstitions in humans. One experiment that observed animal behavior in regards to superstition was done by Skinner with pigeons. In Skinner's experiment, pigeons learned to associate the action that they were doing when the first food delivery occurred, such as jumping, with food delivery. In other words, the pigeon learns that whenever they jump, they get food, even though jumping is not actually required to get the food, and the food is delivered on a time interval basis. Because the action of the pigeon was irrelevant to the delivery of food, each pigeon associated a different action to the delivery of food. The conditioned response of each pigeon and what action they associated with food delivery was whichever action the pigeon was doing right before the first food delivery. Also, if the action did not produce reinforcement, pigeons practiced persistence. They continued to perform whatever action was associated with food until the reinforcer came again. When it did, the association between the action and food strengthened. Studying animal behavior gives us a glimpse of human psychology. For example, Skinner's experiment with pigeons can help us explain how superstitions originate and how we continue to believe them even when they are reinforced only some of the time. For example, let's say someone sees a black cat and soon after something bad happens. That person learns to associate the appearance of a black cat with bad luck. Now let's say the next time you see a black cat, nothing bad happens, but the third time something bad happens. Even though bad luck does not always follow the appearance of a black cat, the association between the two is maintained. So what exactly causes superstitions to develop, and how are they maintained through evolutionary history? In one study, the authors discussed the idea that the development of superstitions are actually a way for individuals to minimize two types of errors. Type 1 error, which is not finding a causal relationship that exists, and type 2 error, which is finding a causal relationship that does not exist. This study also reveals that superstitions are more likely to develop when there is the potential for high benefit if it is correct and low cost if it is wrong.